So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about some interesting facts about Virat Kohli, which may or may not you may know. Virat Kohli has established himself as the one of the greatest cricketers of all time. From the year 2008, the whole table of cricket turned in the favor of Indian side as a young gun from Delhi entered the international field for the first time. 18th August 2008 was the day when the cricketing world witnesses a new talent cricketer in the form of Kohli. He entered international arena for the first time against Sri Lanka in an ODI match. Virat does not have the best start to his career as he lost his dad during a Ranji Trophy match, but the poster boy of Indian cricket did not quit and played a match-saving innings for the Delhi, which helped them to put off a draw. The reason he was kept 18 as his jersey number is because he lost his dad on that day. Having overcome the worst past of his career, Virat never looked back and currently he is absolutely the best cricketer in the world from 2008 to present. Virat has scored over 18,000 international runs in his career and is rarely possible for an ordinary cricketer, and he is still 30. However, there are some interesting facts about Virat Kohli which every cricketer fan must know. Here are some 7 most interesting facts about the man himself. So let's start. The first fact is Virat Kohli is the only cricketer to score 500 runs in a bilateral ODI series. Virat Kohli has etched his name on every page of the record books. There is probably not a record which has not been broken by this legend, as his hunger for runs is never ending. During the series against South Africa in 2018, he became the first cricketer to score over 500 runs in a bilateral ODI series. The 30-year-old achieved this feat by scoring 558 runs in 6 matches and helped India to win the series by 5-1. The next fact about Virat Kohli is Virat Kohli is the only Asian captain to win tests in England, Australia and South Africa. Virat Kohli took over the captaincy of the Indian team in 2015 from MS Dhoni. He carried forward the legacy of MS Dhoni in the best possible way and is probably the best World Cup winning captain. Kohli has proved himself to be a mastermind of the present century as he is the only Asian captain who has won Test series in England, South Africa and Australia. And the next fact about Virat Kohli is he scored the fastest ever ODI century by an Indian against Australia in just 52 balls. Kohli has proved his worth by scoring a mountain of runs against the most successful team in the world. Almost every ball he faced was glorious chase to the ropes. Virat holds the record of scoring the fastest ever centuries in ODI for India. He achieved this record during an ODI match between India and Australia at Jaipur in 2013. The right-handed batsman reached the 100-run mark in just 52 balls and helped India to pull off a record chase. And the next for Virat is Virat became the first ever cricketer to score a century on a World Cup debut in 2011. Virat Kohli has so far scored 39 centuries in ODIs and just 11 away from breaking the record of Sachin Tendulkar. The next fact about Virat Kohli is Virat Kohli has kept wickets thrice in his career. It is a unique sight for the Indian fans to see MS Dhoni having the ball in hand and rolling his arms over from the bowling crease. When MS Dhoni took off the pads and decided to bowl during the dying stage of 4 in the first test against South Africa in Johannesburg, Virat Kohli kept wickets in place of him. During a match between India and Bangladesh at Dhaka, the man donned the gloves from MS Dhoni took a break to answer Snitch's call. Wow. This is an interesting fact, may or may might you know. And the next fact is Virat is the only player in IPL to never be auctioned. Virat Kohli has been playing for Royal Challengers Bangalore since 2008 in IPL. This consistency of a player can be known through the number of franchises he has played for the Indian IPL team. A player can be considered extremely consistent if he has just played for one franchise since 2008 in IPL. During his IPL first season of 2008, each team was supposed to pick a player from the under-19 draft. Virat was also the part of under-19 draft in 2008, during which RCB bought him for the first time. Since then, the franchisee has not let him go. In 11th year of the IPL, he has emerged as the second highest run scorer of the IPL after Suresh Raina. And the last and the final and the most interesting fact about Virat Kohli is that he has scored the fastest ever 10,000 ODI runs. Sachin Tendulkar is a legendary name in the cricketing world and was certainly the best batsman in the ODI format of the game.
He held the record of aggregating 10,000 runs in the least number of ODI matches. However, Virat broke this record as he took 54 innings, fewer than Sachin. So this was our today's video. If you like, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts, just subscribe to the channel. Then
It's caught in the crossfire.